Guys, this might be my last I am playing Tiny Fishing on Cool Math Games. This might be the last video on Tiny Fishing. Maybe. I'm not saying for sure. And the reason why I'm playing it on Cool Math Games because if you get the real game, it won't really save that much. Once I tried it, it sucked. So on my other Tiny Fishing video, it was I don't know, a year ago, 5 months ago, maybe in February. I don't really remember. Ooh, a lot of legendaries. This one. How much? Umbrella. What? Dang it. Dang it. I missed a legendary. I missed. That's a lot of legendaries. Let's see, please. Of 17 trillion. That's nothing. Need to cook. Wow. I only got a few legendaries. And for that 16 trillion. Oh my god. I get 72 fish. The puffer fish. Puffer fish. Why are they all on the side? That literally makes it easier for me. 33 trillion! Yo! Bruh. Oh, no. I need that. Wait. Let me choose one. I like the B one. I'm barely even talking up at this point. That just makes it easier for me, bro. Why are they on the side? Why? 20 trillion. I don't even know what to do with these coins. I already have all of these. I don't need more coins. Puffer fish. They're giving me nothing, bro. These fish are actually so bad. How's a puffer fish not here yet? Oh. It's coming. Screw it. That will take me 4 hours, bro. so easy to get the legendaries. I don't know why. And if you guys realize by my voice, I'm kind of sick or tired. I usually get tired at school because, like, it's June, bro. I can't expect nothing from June. Like, it's literally burning outside. I don't even know what to do. I just catch fish and that's it. Literally absolutely nothing to do. Okay, this time I'm gonna try to get no fish. Absolutely no fish. That might be hard. I don't even care. Okay, I only got 2. Dang it. But I got 4 fish up. Make that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. I just like the legendaries, but like, make that 24 fish. Make that 25. These piranhas. No! No! I'm like 40 short. No, I'm like 30 short. No. No, no. I'm 20 short, bro. No. I literally have to I have to survive this, bro. There ain't no way. Let's see what I get from that. Okay, 1 trillion. That's good. For only like 50. Is there a bottom in tiny fishing? I don't know. I was too lazy to search it up. Come on, give me something good. I almost got that puffer fish. I am so tired, bro. Come on, I just want to end this video. Let's see what goes. Oh my god. Was that the remote? Yep, it was. 14. Okay. Okay, bye guys.